What's good, YouTube?
Oh yeah,
New camera angle. I know you feel it. You can tell by the title of the video, I started intake. And I know it's been a long time. I got shit to show y'all. I got V-Lane headlights.
That's what I'm talking about. This shit means something to me, man.
Bro, it's been like 4 months, bro. This our last done a video. I put my intake on. I got an engine intake. I don't know if y'all can see the red box. It's right here. I got an engine intake for my Lexus. Got it. I installed it yesterday, but I got a check engine like today. So I just tightened it, made sure everything was right. See what's wrong with it. I've been letting the shit idle for a little while. I'm about to see, did the check engine light go away? Hopefully it did go away. I got the stock intake in my trunk. I'll take y'all on a drive, cause I got a new fucking mount job for my car. Like car POVs and shit. So car POVs are definitely gonna get better. Yeah, I'm about to show y'all the intake and everything. This bitch on them. I don't know what I'm saying. Limiter got the hoe. Yeah. I'm about to take her on a ride because it's been like 15 minutes. I'm about to show y'all. Let me set this shit up real quick. I hear that hoe. It don't sound like it was the last time. I think I fixed it. It sound like all the air is going to the right places. Cause it was just roaring the last time. Well, like what the fuck am I trying to say? I can't really go like I want to because it's a mill John in the way. I gotta turn around. Maybe a U-turn. Guess ain't nobody coming. Engine light yet. I don't know how long do it take for a check engine light to come on, cause I don't know if it was even on this morning. I just seen it when I went on my lunch break. When I went to go get some food. I don't think it was on this morning. But it definitely went on yesterday after I drove it, after I put it on and then tested it. Hopefully it don't pop back up. Just hopefully it don't pop back up. But yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do for this video. I'm gonna show y'all the headlights. I'm gonna show y'all all the new stuff I got since I haven't posted a video in a while. But yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all like this. But like, I haven't posted a video in a while, and a lot of shit happened since then, bro. I don't know, like. It's not that much to talk about, but like I graduated, going to college, and shit like that, bro. It's really wild. Life going. It is, just like your Hoda. But yeah. Appreciate y'all tuning into this vlog, I guess. Man, look at that shit, bro. It popped. It popped, bro. I first started seeing this. I don't know if y'all can see that back there. I seen that and I tried to drive. I knew that shit was gonna pop, but I'm glad I got to somewhere safe. But I'm glad I got somewhere safe before I can before it pop all the way. It popped like down there. But yeah, I thought I was gonna get a tire, bro. I came here to get a tire and this job closed, bro. About to finish it up. These the old ones. The V-Lands in there, the bumper. Hood cover. I gotta put some. Focus on that side too, bro. Tight shit.